Are you tired of greasy meals and the endless cleanup that comes with frying? Here are the 5 best air fryer ovens I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Emeril Lagasse Extra Large Air Fryer. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo caught my attention right away with its stunning stainless steel finish and impressive 24 cooking functions. Priced at around $239.78, it's not the cheapest option, but if you want versatility and capacity for family-sized meals, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 26-quart capacity, you can air fry a whole chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza without breaking a sweat. The dual-speed fan circulates hot air evenly, ensuring golden, crispy results every time. And if you struggle with burnt toast, the automatic shutoff feature saves you from disaster by turning off once the timer ends. With over 9,000 units sold just last month, it's clear this oven is a popular choice for busy kitchens. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you often cook for a crowd or love hosting, this large capacity can be a lifesaver. Just keep in mind the counter space it requires. This is perfect for you if you're looking to simplify meal prep for a family or enjoy entertaining guests, but skip this one if your kitchen is tight on space or if you only cook for 1 or 2. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick meals and smaller spaces. Product number 2, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, which is priced at about $227.11. As soon as I saw its sleek stainless steel design and 8-in-1 features, I knew it was something special. If you want fast and crispy food without compromising on versatility, this one deserves your attention. The Cuisinart packs a punch with its 1,800 watts of power, giving you the ability to toast 6 slices of bread, roast a 4-pound chicken, or air fry up to 3 pounds of chicken wings. That Air Advantage technology really optimizes hot airflow, providing the crispy texture you crave without excess oil. And with a 60-minute timer and auto shutoff, you can set it and forget it. This model has already garnered thousands of positive reviews for its ease of use and quality performance. However, some users pointed out that it can take a little longer to preheat compared to other models. But honestly, if you're looking for a reliable machine that offers consistent results, a few extra minutes are a small price to pay. This cooker is perfect for anyone who enjoys a range of cooking methods in a compact size. But if you need something that heats up super fast for quick snacks, you might want to consider other options. Now, if Emeril's size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 3, Gourmet French Door Air Fryer. The Gourmet French Door Air Fryer is up next, and at around $113.59, it's definitely the budget-friendly option on our list. Its spacious 25-quart capacity and dual French doors caught my eye right away. If you want to save money without sacrificing performance, this is worth checking out. With 17 cooking presets, this air fryer can handle everything from crispy fries to a whole chicken. The FryForce 360 technology ensures even cooking by circulating heat, which means you'll get that perfect crisp without the oil. Plus, you can easily adjust cooking times from 1 to 99 minutes and temperatures from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for absolute control over your cooking. With thousands sold recently, it's clearly popular among home cooks. However, some users have mentioned that the digital display can be a bit tricky to navigate at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the flexibility this model offers. It's not a deal breaker unless you're someone who needs instant ease of use. This is perfect for families looking for an affordable and efficient way to cook large meals. But skip this one if you prefer a more intuitive interface or if you're after high-end features. All right, that was a great budget pick. But if you're ready to splurge a bit more for advanced features, the next option is definitely worth consideration. Product number 4, Medea Flexify Air Fryer. The Medea Flexify French door toaster oven is priced at $189.30 and offers a unique twist with its 10-in-1 cooking functions. I was genuinely surprised by how quickly it cooks, 25% faster than traditional fryers. If you want efficiency without sacrificing quality, this one could be your new best friend. With a large 26.4 quart capacity, you can easily fit a 12-inch pizza or cook 14 juicy chicken wings. The Cyclone air fryer technology means you're getting 90% less oil in your meals, which is a huge plus for health-conscious cooks. Plus, the precise temperature control and 5-degree increments means you can get the perfect cook every time. Thousands of units sold point to its reliability and popularity in kitchens. That said, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, if the results are crispy and delicious, a little noise is something I think most people can live with. This model is perfect for anyone who loves convenience and efficiency in the kitchen, but skip it if you prefer a quieter cooking experience or if you're sensitive to noise. Now, if you're all about premium features and top-notch performance, our final pick is a true powerhouse. Product number 5, New Wave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven with a price tag of $295.31. This one is a bit of an investment, but I'll be real with you. It's packed with features that can make your cooking life so much easier. If you're serious about your cooking and want something that can handle any task, look no further. With 142 easy cook presets and a 30-quart capacity, this oven caters to all your cooking needs. The ultra-fast convection system means you'll get 3x faster cooking and results that are 35% crispier. It even has a smart digital thermometer that tracks your food's internal temperature, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. The reviews are glowing, with many users raving about its performance and versatility. However, some users mention that the learning curve can be steep due to all the settings available. But honestly, once you familiarize yourself with it, the cooking possibilities are endless, making it a worthy challenge for those who love to cook. This is perfect for cooking enthusiasts who want to experiment with recipes and enjoy a variety of cooking methods. But skip this option if you're looking for something simple and straightforward without all the bells and whistles. I hope you found this list helpful. Each of these air fryers brings something unique to the table. To wrap it up, we covered the Emerald Lagasse, Cuisinart, Gourmia, Medea, and New Wave Bravo XL Pro. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the New Wave Bravo XL Pro because of its incredible versatility and advanced features that truly elevate your cooking experience. Avoid the Gourmia if you prefer a more intuitive interface. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.